This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites so you can act immediately. Sign into Shopify, pick a plan, and attach a payment method. Once done, gather 5 to 10 product ideas and rough pricing so your AI prompts are specific. Next, connect an AI copywriter, an image generator, and a product research tool. These speed content and validation. Make sure integrations have API keys or apps installed, because without them, you'll stall at product creation. You now develop product pages and the store look, focusing on how customers decide. First, prompt your AI copywriter for product titles, benefits, and SEO keywords. Iterate until tone matches your brand, because relevance improves conversions. Then produce or enhance images with your image AI, exporting at 2048px for crisp thumbnails. Once images and copy are ready, pick a Shopify theme and customize layout, mapping collections and navigation so customers find products fast. Test on mobile and desktop. Finish by validating transactions and analytics so your store truly functions. You'll enable payments, set shipping zones and tax rules, and configure checkout options, then install analytics and set abandoned cart emails. Make a full test order to confirm fulfillment and emails trigger. Once launched, monitor conversion rate, average order value, and advertising cost per acquisition. If performance lags, use AI to rewrite headlines, tweak product images, or regenerate ad copy. One tip: if listings fail to import, check CSV headers and AI output formatting first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.